Why content creators should use MagicLinks for affiliate marketing success. MagicLinks is an affiliate marketing platform that makes it easy for me, as a content creator, to share product links from top retail brands and earn commissions when someone purchases through those links. It allows me to monetize my content across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogs, and more. Here's why I think MagicLinks is a great tool. Monetization with MagicLinks. I earn commissions whenever someone makes a purchase through my affiliate links, adding an extra stream of income to my content. Wide range of brands. MagicLinks partners with major retailers and brands, giving me access to thousands of products to promote across categories like fashion, beauty, electronics, and lifestyle. Ease of use. Creating affiliate links is a breeze. I can quickly generate short, trackable links that are easy to share on my social media, blog, or YouTube channel. Real-time analytics. I love that I can track my performance in real time. I can see which products are driving clicks and adjust my strategy to boost earnings. Trusted by top influencers. Many well-known creators use MagicLinks because it's reliable, offers straightforward payouts, and helps build long-term partnerships with brands. Sustainability focused. MagicLinks also highlights brands that focus on sustainability, which means I can align my content with environmentally conscious values. By using MagicLinks, I can maximize my influence and income by easily sharing and profiting from the products I love.